Hello, my darlings, and welcome. Today we're diving into two of my favorite New Year's rituals, vision boarding and goal setting. This process combines intention setting, creativity, and a sprinkle of magic to help you manifest your dreams for the year ahead. Let's do some magical crafting. I'll be crafting my own vision board as I chat. This video has 4 parts: journaling for vision boarding, discovering your word or phrase of the year, constructing your vision board with 10 creative ideas to make a vision board that truly aligns with your goals and your spirit, and placing and using it effectively throughout the year. Feel free to use the chapters to navigate around to what interests you. Let's talk about why vision boards are so effective. Science shows that visualizing your goals can help rewire your brain. When you repeatedly see images that represent your dreams, your brain starts to see them as attainable. This process, known as mental rehearsal, helps you build the confidence and focus needed to take action. Vision boards also activate the brain's reticular activating system, which helps filter information and keep your goals top of mind. In essence, they train your brain to spot opportunities and stay motivated. But beyond the science, creating a vision board can be a magical practice. Think of it as crafting a spell, a tangible representation of your intentions infused with energy and focus. Every time you add an image or word to your board, you're declaring your desires to the universe. And by regularly interacting with your vision board, you are sending out consistent waves of intention, aligning your energy with your goals. It's a beautiful blend of creativity, mindfulness, and manifestation. Before you start cutting out images or collecting materials, it's essential to reflect on what you truly desire. I've created a printable Book of Shadows page with prompts, along with 10 creative ideas to make a vision board in alignment with your goals and spirit. If you'd like to download this Book of Shadows page, I'll put a link below. I've found that journaling is the perfect way for me to uncover my goals and dreams. Here are 10 prompts to guide you if you think journaling might be the way to uncover your goals for the year as well. What were my biggest achievements and lessons from last year? How do I want to feel in the coming year? What areas of my life need the most attention and love? What experiences or adventures do I want to try? What does success look like to me? How can I nurture my relationships with others and myself? What skills or hobbies do I want to learn or improve? What does my dream life look like? What habits or routines will support my goals? And finally, what would I pursue if I knew I couldn't fail? Take your time with these prompts. The answers will give you clarity and direction for your vision board. Let's talk about finding your word or phrase of the year. Think of it as a theme or guiding star for your journey. Start by reflecting on your journal entries and look for any reoccurring ideas or feelings that stand out. Maybe you keep writing about growth or balance or creativity. Those could be great themes to explore. Once you have some ideas, jot down a few words or phrases that resonate. Words like abundance or courage or harmony can be inspiring. Or if you prefer a phrase, try something like fearless growth or radiant abundance. Don't overthink it. Go with what feels right in your heart. If you're still unsure, try saying each word or phrase out loud. Pay attention to how they make you feel. Does one give you a little spark of excitement? That might be the one. And remember, this is for you. There's no wrong choice. When you've chosen your word or phrase, write it down somewhere meaningful, like in your journal or on a sticky note for your workspace. We'll also make sure it has a place on your vision board. My personal preference is to create a magic sigil out of my word or phrase for the year and stick it in the center of my vision board. This year, my word is sovereign. I used the shapes of each letter to create a sigil that looks something like a crown. Now it's time for the fun part, actually making your vision board. Start by gathering your materials, scissors, glue, magazines, printed images, markers, and of course your board. Your board can be corkboard, foam board, or even just a sturdy piece of cardboard. This year, I'm trying something a little different. I'll be collaging all of my images onto a painted canvas. I'm using black paint, Mod Podge, and glitter watercolors. When it comes to images, look for ones that resonate deeply with your intentions. These could be photos from magazines, printouts from the internet, or even your own drawings. Try to find visuals that capture the essence of your dreams, whether that's a serene beach for relaxation, a bustling cityscape for career ambitions, or meaningful symbols like a lotus flower for personal growth. I've chosen images relating to health and fitness, my home, my business, and my goals. I'm placing them around a sigil made from the shapes of the letters in my word of the year, sovereign. You can organize your board by theme if you like, dedicating sections to different aspects of your life, like relationships, career, or health. Or if you're feeling more intuitive, go for a free-form collage. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Let your creativity drive you. I'm incorporating several phrases relating to the 4 different subjects on my board: work, health, home, and goals. For work, the phrase I've chosen is know your worth. For health, I've chosen go to the sea, as the sea is a place of healing for me. For my home section, I've written clean and clutter-free. And for the goals section, I have retreat, create, and play. My aim is to continue with the same goals I set for the previous year, discarding the ones that no longer serve me. There are so many creative ways to build a vision board that resonates with your goals. Creating a vision board can be more than a collage of magazine clippings. It can be a deeply magical and meaningful process. Here are 10 creative ideas to make a vision board that truly aligns with your goals and your spirit. First, choose a theme or focus. Start by asking yourself, what's the overarching intention for this year? Choose a theme like growth, balance, abundance, or adventure. This theme will guide your board's design and content, ensuring it feels cohesive and intentional. Incorporate magical symbols. Infuse your vision board with symbols that hold personal or magical significance, runes or sigils representing protection, creativity, or prosperity, astrological signs or planetary symbols tied to your goals. I've painted the Fehu rune on the back of my canvas. The Fehu rune is the rune of abundance, money, wealth, nourishment, and fulfillment. It can signify wealth gained, success reached, and rewards delivered. Tarot card images can embody the energy you wish to invite. You might use the Star for hope or the Empress for abundance. My personal favorite is the Two of Pentacles. To me, it represents balance between work and life. Create layers with textures. Add depth and texture by incorporating different materials. Fabric swatches and colors that resonate with your goals. Pressed flowers or leaves for growth and renewal. Or my favorite, adding glitter or metallic accents for energy and vibrancy. This approach makes your vision board tactile and visually rich. My fourth suggestion is to make it personal. While I don't have any photos of myself on my board, you may wish to use your personal photos and art. Include images of yourself, places you've visited, or artwork you've created. Personal touches make the board uniquely yours and connect you emotionally to your vision. My fifth creative suggestion is to write affirmations and power words. Write affirmations or keywords that align with your goals in bold, creative lettering. Examples include, I'm thriving in my career, or my life is filled with joy and connection. Use hand-drawn calligraphy, watercolor paints, or even gold leaf to make them pop. I'm adding several affirmations and inspirational messages to my board this year, hidden on the back of the piece, as I felt the front already contained enough text for my taste. Another idea is to add interactive elements. Make your board dynamic with features you can interact with. Some examples include envelopes or pockets to hold notes, keepsakes, or small wishes. I'm adding an envelope for this purpose on the back of my canvas as well. Another interactive element could be a calendar section to mark milestones or intentions for each month, or flip open panels with hidden messages or goals. If you're working towards specific goals, another idea is to include a vision map. Draw or print a map to represent your journey to success. Use arrows, stepping stones, or pathways to show how your intentions connect and flow together. Suggestion 8 is to infuse your vision board with energy. Before assembling your board or after it's complete, cleanse your materials with smoke, incense, the ringing tones of a bell, or even moonlight, whichever method calls to you. You may wish to anoint your board with a bit of essential oil like lavender for calm or orange for creativity, or lightly sprinkle it with moon water. My 9th suggestion is to go digital. I love to make a physical board, but that might not be your style. You can always create a digital vision board using tools like Canva or Pinterest. Set it as your desktop wallpaper or phone background to keep your goals front and center. I create my vision board digitally first, and then print out the images so I can do my magical crafting. And I use the original digital mock-up as my desktop wallpaper for my work computer as well. And finally, you may wish to create a miniature, portable version for the office or travel. Make a smaller version of your vision board to carry with you using a journal page, a card deck, or even a trifold paper design. This keeps your goals accessible wherever you go. Once your vision board is complete, think about where it should go. Ideally, you want somewhere you'll see it often, like your bedroom, office, or altar. If you're someone who prefers privacy, you can tuck it into a journal or a folder and revisit it regularly. To really make the most of your vision board, spend a few minutes each morning looking at it and visualize your goals coming to life. It's such a powerful way to start your day. Every month or so, check in with it, reflect on your progress, and don't be afraid to update it if your goals evolve. Speaking affirmations out loud while focusing on your board can also amplify its energy. It's not just a decoration, it's an active tool for your dreams. I hang mine right outside of my office door so that I see it every day as I go to work. It's also right by a bathroom door, so I still see it on the days that I'm not working in the office. Making a vision board does not have to happen precisely on January 1st. You can create one anytime you feel inspired or want to reset your intentions. Life is full of transitions, whether it's a birthday, a new season, or even just a moment when you feel ready for change. The key is to align your vision board with your current goals and energy. If you're creating one later in the year, reflect on what's unfolded so far and what you'd like to focus on moving forward. Remember, there's no right or wrong time to set intentions, and dream big. Trust the timing that feels right for you. I hope these suggestions inspire you to magically craft a vision board this year. Whatever methods you use, make the process joyful and magical. Your vision board is a powerful tool for focusing your energy and manifesting your dreams.